So we say substitute equation 3 into equation 1. Okay guys, you're welcome. I want to explain to you simultaneous equation using what? The substitution method. So if you have not watched the video on elimination method, do well to watch it on this same channel. So when you want to solve substitution method, two equations will be given to you, equation 1 and equation 2. So when it is being given to you, it is now left for you to do what? For you to solve it the way you want it. So some students understand the elimination method while others understand the substitution method. But the examiner is very funny. The examiner can ask you to do what? To solve using what? The substitution method. And if you go and solve using the elimination method, the examiner will penalize you. You understand? So you have to understand the substitution method as well. So without wasting our time, let me just quickly write it out, our equation. Now, when many students hear substitution method, they are afraid because they say a substitution method is too long, it requires a lot of, it requires a lot of thinking. You understand? But I want to tell you that it is very easy the moment you understand the steps. That's why I told us in the concept of how you can improve on your maths. So one thing I told us is what? Understanding the concept. The moment you understand the concept at which how substitution method is being solved, you will not have any difficulties. Once you understand the steps, you will not have any issue. So just follow me as we go through this question bit by bit. So the question is what? 3x minus 2y equals to 4, and then x plus y equals to 3. The first thing you do here is what? Is you name your equation. You have equation 1 and equation 2. Equation 1 and what? Equation 2. So either you make x subject of the formula or you make y subject of the formula. Anyone you want, you will still get the same answer. So now let's use equation 2. Say from equation 2, make y the subject of formula. Make what? Y subject of what? Formula. To make y subject of formula, we bring our equation 2 down, which is x plus y equals to 3, our equation 2. So making y subject of the formula, we transfer this x to this side. We say y equals to what? 3 minus x. X is crossing over. The sign in front of it will change to what? To minus. So we name this as what? Our equation 3. Our equation 3. Now, since we have our equation 3, where did we get our equation 3 from? It's from where? From equation 1 and equation 2. So we now do what? We now substitute equation 3 into where? Into equation 1. So we have what? We have, so we say substitute equation 3 into equation 1. Now, what do we have here? We have what? We have 3x minus 2y equal to 4, which is our what? Our equation 1. Now, substituting equation 3 into equation 1, what do we have here? We have what? 3x minus 2 into bracket 3 minus x equals to what? Equal to 4. So we expand this bracket out. We expand this bracket out. We have what? 3x minus 2 times 3 will give us what? 6. Plus minus times minus will give us what? Will give us plus 2 times x will give us what? Give us 2x equal to what? Equal to 4. Now remember, it is this bracket that we expanded that gave us this. 2 times 3 will give us what? 2 times 3 will give us 6. Minus times minus will give us plus. Then 2 times x will give us what? 2x. So here we collect like terms. All variable of x will bring them to this side, and then our constant will transfer them to the other side. So we have what? 3x plus 2x equal to 4, transfer over to what? To plus 6. When it is crossing, become a plus. So here we have what? 2x plus 3x plus 2x will give us what? Will give us 5x equal to what? Equal to 10. Divide both sides by 5. Divide both sides by what? By 5. 5 here, 5. X is equal to 5 here 1, 5 here 2. X is equal to what? To 2. So now, since we have x already, we now do what? We now substitute our x into where? Into equation 3. So we say substitute x, which is equal to what? Equal to 2 into equation 3. So our equation 3 is what? Y equals to 3 minus x. So y is equals to 3 minus 2. So our y equals to what? Equal to 1. So y equals to 1. So in this place, we say we check. In checking, we bring our original equation. Which is what? 3x minus 2y. What's our x? Our x is 2. What's our y? Our y is what? Is 1. So here we have what? We have 3 into bracket our x, which is what? 2 minus 2 into bracket what? 1. So here we have what? 3 times 2 will give us what? Will give us 6. Minus 2 will give us what? 4. So definitely our answer is what? Is correct. So for equation 2, we have what? Our x plus y, which will give us what? X is what? 2 plus 1, which will give us what? Which will give us 3. So definitely our answer is correct. So this is how this substitution method works. This is how the substitution method works. So what we do here from the beginning is that we name our equation 1, equation 2. So from equation 2, we make y the subject of formula, which is what? Our equation 2, which is what? X plus y equal to 3, which is our equation 2. So making y subject of the formula, we transfer x to this side. We now have what? Y equals to 3 minus x, our equation 3. So substitute equation 3 into where? Into equation 1. Why didn't you substitute into equation 2? It's because we derive our equation, substitute equation 3 into equation 2 is because we derive our equation 3 from where? From 2. So we don't need to substitute into equation 2 again, but substitute into what? Equation 1. So this is our equation 1, 3x minus 2y equals to 4. So bringing it, we have what? 3x minus 2, open bracket, 3 minus x, which is our y equal to what? Equal to 4. In this place, we open the bracket. 2 times 3 will give us 6. 2 times x will give us 2x. We collect like terms and this, and then we divide both sides by 5 to get our x. So we substitute x, which is equal to 2, into where? Into equation 3. So definitely we now have y equals to 3 minus x. So what's our x? Our x is 2. So we now say what? 3 y is equals to 3 minus 2. 2 is our x here. So definitely y equals to 1. So when you now bring your variable of y and your variable of x, you put them into the original equation, you will always get this and this. So that is how substitution method works. You can start from equation 1, you can start from equation 2, you can choose to use make y subject of the formula, you can choose to make x subject of the formula. It all depends on you. What you need to do here is for you to do what? Is for you to master this step. So you need to master this step. So thank you. If you have stayed up to this time, I really appreciate your effort. Thank you. Please do well to like, share, and also comment. If you have any question you want to ask pertaining to substitution method, you can drop it at the comment section. I will do well to answer that question. So thank you all. I really appreciate you. See you in our next class.